In this video, you'll learn how to add subtasks in Notion. By the end of this guide, you will be able to organize your tasks more effectively by utilizing the subtask feature within Notions. Begin by navigating to the Notion website, open your preferred web browser, and enter the address Notion to access the platform. Once the page loads, you may be prompted to sign in if you are not already logged into your account. After successfully signing in, locate the option to create a new page. This is typically found on the left sidebar of the Notion interface. Click on the New Page button to initiate the creation of a new workspace for your tasks. Next, you will need to provide a title for your new page. Click on the title area at the top of the page and type in a relevant name that reflects the task or project you are working on. This helps in keeping your workspace organized. Once the title is set, click on a blank area within the page. This action prepares the page for further content additions. You should see a cursor appear indicating that you can start typing commands or content. Now enter the command /database into the blank space. This command allows you to access various database options within Notion. After typing it out, a menu should appear displaying different database types. From the menu, click on Database Inline. This choice integrates a database directly into your page, allowing for easy task management. You will notice a new database table appears on your page. Following this, locate and click on Tasks Tracker within the database options. This selection will allow you to utilize a predefined template for tracking tasks, enhancing your workflow. Next, click on the Get Started button. This action will initialize the task tracker template, making it ready for your input. You may need to wait a moment as the template loads. After the template is loaded, click on Done to confirm your setup. This will finalize the initial configuration of your tasks tracker. Now, navigate to the settings by clicking on the Settings option within the database. This is crucial for customizing how your tasks and subtasks will function. In the Settings menu, click on Data Source Settings. This section allows you to manage how your data is organized and displayed within Notion. Following that, click on More Settings to access additional options for customization. This area provides further controls for managing your task structure. Now, locate and click on Subtasks. This selection will enable the subtask feature, allowing you to break down larger tasks into manageable pieces. To activate this feature, click on Turn on Subtasks. A confirmation message may appear indicating that the subtask functionality is now available for use. Once this feature is enabled, click on a blank space in the database to prepare for adding your first subtask. This step ensures that you are ready to input new information. Next, click on New Subitem. This action prompts you to create a new subtask under the main task you are working on. You should see a new entry field appear. Type in the name of your first subtask, such as Subtask 1. This label should accurately describe the specific action or step related to the main task. After entering the subtask name, click on a blank space again to save your entry. This ensures that the new subtask is captured within the database. Now click on Open Side Peek to view additional options related to your subtask. This feature provides a side panel with more information and settings. If necessary, you can edit the subtask by clicking on it within the side panel. This allows you to add more details or options as needed for your project. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.